So this week I was looking at correlations with high school graduation rates in Oregon, between student to teacher ratios, the operating expenditures per student, and the percent of ninth graders that are on track to graduate in 4 years. So this is the 4-year cohort. I was looking at the school report cards from Oregon.gov. If I had more time, I would have looked through a lot more files to fill in the blanks in some of these other past years, but it took a long time to go through the data that was there, and it took a long time to download all the files too. So these aren't very big samples, especially for these two, but it gives, I hope, a general idea. So first off, I did the grad rate to student teacher ratio. I know in the textbook it was saying like this is often the dependent and independent, because thinking the grad rate could possibly depend on the student to teacher ratio, but since we can't say that it's like causation, that they're just correlated, I guess it technically wouldn't matter which axis they were on, since I can't technically say this is dependent since it's not causing it. Looking at this, I didn't think that there was any correlation, but plugging into the calculator actually has a fairly weak negative correlation, which I thought was pretty interesting. And then this is the one for expenditures. You see it's actually a very strong positive correlation. And then also for the percent of ninth graders on track, it's not very many data points. And it is all fairly clustered in this upper section since I don't have that much data. So I thought it might be weak because of that, because it was up a little bit, but you could also kind of draw a straight line and have an even number of points on each side. But it was actually fairly strong. I also was trying to find something with no correlation too, so I just found I was looking at it compared to the number of named hurricanes for each year for each of the grad years I had. So that's pretty scattered around, and so that only had a correlation coefficient of about 0.1. So I'd say that there's pretty strong correlations. I can't say that the ninth graders being on track caused graduation rate to be higher though, especially since they were different years. But I was having a hard time fitting in some of our other ideas for graphs, such as like 95% confidence. I'm not sure how that would tie into these ideas.